Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this large geode out of MDF wood. You'll see I added some texture around the edges, but go ahead and ignore that because I just ended up going over it. I'm going to be using spray paint to spray the edges this brown color. First step is you want to put on some gloves and a respirator mask. Now I'm going to take Artworks Resin Part A and pour it into a cup. Then take Part B and pour that into a cup. Make sure you pour the same exact amount that you did of Part A. Then dump them both into a larger cup and mix it thoroughly for 5 to 6 minutes. I went ahead and mixed up some pigments into my resin into different cups of the different colors I wanted to use, and now I'm just going to be pouring them around in no particular pattern. Now I'm going to hit it with a heat torch just to pop all of the bubbles. And then I'm taking this turquoise spray paint and spraying it directly on top of the resin. And now I'm just going to spray this brown paint all around. This is just a little spray bottle filled with alcohol that I'm going to spray around on top, and it just makes these little cells appear. Now I'm just continuing to pour different colors all around. And again, I'm just going to hit it with the heat torch to pop all of the air bubbles. This is also a heat gun, but it's kind of like a hair dryer as well. And I'm just blowing the resin around just to kind of mix it up a little bit. And you can see all the really cool cells that it made, but honestly I'm not really happy with the way this looks. It's a little bit too busy, so I'm going to go ahead and try to fix that later on. These are some blue acrylic gems that I found in the store. I'm just going to stick those all around the edge of the holes that I made. Okay, now that this is dry, I mixed up some, this is like a iridescent, very translucent pigment that I put in here. And I'm just gonna go over the entire thing to try to calm down all this craziness. And again, I'm just going to hit it with the heat torch to pop any of the air bubbles. After this, I went ahead and added 2 more layers of that white translucent color. And then I added a layer of some translucent blue and kind of just mixed it all together. And I added a touch of gold and hit that with the heat torch. And this is the final thing. I added some glitter around the edges to make it sparkle, and I think I'm happy with it now.